It's that time of year again. Road repairs have begun in Fort St. John. City crews have hit the streets to fill the potholes dotting the roads. Potholes are formed when groundwater freezes, pushing upward on the pavement.
When it pushes up on the surface bends, and of course on the upper side of the bend it cracks, which allows water to seep into those cracks, and that water freezes and expands again, and so the cracks just widen and widen and widen and get bigger, and so now you have a whole bunch of loose aggregate on surface, and every time a truck drives over that or a car, then it pulls the aggregate out.
City crews will be using what's called a hot patch treatment to fill the holes, which is made using recycled chunks of pavement.
We take those rocks and asphalt chunk about the size of a softball, put them into a drum and heat them up and rotate them, and it breaks them apart. We add a rejuvenating oil to it, and then we end up with a hot asphalt product.
Crews start by clearing the hole of debris and water, then heat the area around the hole, as well as spray an emulsion which helps the new asphalt bond with the pavement. The asphalt is then poured into a hole, raked smooth, then is flattened by a steamroller. The method is new to the city, which up until 3 years ago used a less durable cold patch method.
It's a flexible patch. It can be used in the middle of winter for an emergency repair, or in the spring when there's water in the pothole. So, but typically it's considered a temporary fix, not a permanent fix.
The city adopted the technique because it saves costs and delivers a better repair job.
Well, we're always looking for new and inventive ways to reuse product, and asphalt itself is recyclable. So we felt there was a need for it to be able to get out on the streets and do hot patches and do a better patch for the citizens versus just strictly using cold patch.
If you see a pothole, call City Hall at 311 to have a crew come out and fix it. Hugh Smith, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.